LCD Touchscreen Stylus Wand. This is used to operate the system's graphical user interface. Behind the stylus wand is the LCD on and off button. Use the stylus wand when you are either turning the LCD screen on or off. LCD Touchscreen. The LCD touchscreen provides the user the ability to operate and view the server's graphical user interface without having to use an external monitor. Power Indicator LED. This LED will illuminate when the server is powered on. Hard Disk Drive Activity LED. This LED will illuminate when the server's hard disk drives are in the active state. USB port. Connect standard USB 2.0 peripherals here, such as USB keyboards, mouse, external hard drives, etc. Hard disk drive door lock. The HDD door lock provides additional security of the content and prevents access to inadvertently remove any of the drives. Main power switch. Use this switch to turn on the server. When you want to turn off the server, it is recommended that you shut down the server from the GUI. Server's hard drives. The DCP-2000 has the ability to hold 3 hard drives. HDD activity lights. These lights will illuminate when the hard drives are in an active state. Vent filter. This removable filter protects the server's hard drives and should be changed every 6 months. Keyboard and mouse PS2 connectors. On the left side of the server connector panel are 2 PS2 connectors for the keyboard and mouse. These jacks can be used interchangeably. Traditionally, the purple jack is for a keyboard, and the green jack is for a PS2 mouse. USB ports. Connect standard USB 2.0 peripherals here, such as USB keyboard, mouse, external hard drives, etc. Serial port. This is a standard 9-pin male DB9 serial COM port on the motherboard. VGA out. Connect a standard external VGA monitor here for display of the server's software's graphical user interface. Ethernet 0 and Ethernet 1. The motherboard has 2 built-in gigabit Ethernet connectors. The left one is identified as ETH0 and the right one is identified as ETH1. All Doremi servers are shipped with a default IP address of 192.168.100.50 on the Ethernet port labeled ETH1 and DHCP assigned dynamic IP address on the Ethernet port labeled ETH0. VGA input. This connector can also be linked to the center rear panel VGA connector to facilitate use of the front panel LCD screen. Using a VGA-Y cable will allow for both external monitor as well as LCD touchscreen to be used simultaneously. AES 16-channel digital audio out. The digital audio interface of the Doremi server is provided on a female DB25 connector on the rear panel of the unit. 16 channels of balanced digital audio are provided through this connector. GPIO. The GPIO interface of the Doremi server is provided from a female DVI connector on the rear panel of the unit. The GPIO cable included with the Doremi server has one end of the cable as an exposed wire end cable. The GPIO channels are tagged on each wire of the exposed end to facilitate GPIO channel and signal ground identification. The pinouts for this GPIO connector can be obtained by contacting your local technical support representative. HDSDI outputs. These are the Doremi Dolphin Decoder Card BNC serial digital interface connectors. The top connector is the A output and the bottom is the B output. Power alarm reset button. The power alarm will sound when only one power cord is connected to the server or when the system detects that only one power supply is functioning. To turn off the alarm sound, simply depress this button. Redundant dual power supply modules. The Doremi server has dual power supply modules so that in the event that one fails, the server will switch to the other and stay operational, preventing a show to stop. It is recommended that you always use 2 proper cables when operating the server to prevent a show from stopping in the middle of its play.
That concludes our demonstration. Should you need any additional assistance, please contact our local technical support team. Thank you for watching.